Hey everyone, in this video we're going to pre-wire the van. So basically what we're going to be doing is running all the cabling to anything that's low voltage, so lights, charging ports, and as well as we'll be doing the solar coming in through the roof. So let's get started. So you may have seen in some of our other videos that we've run some cabling already. What you see here is the point where all of the cables are going to run back to, and this is where we'll have the solar charge controller and the batteries. And from here we have some of the cables coming out. We've basically got a power feed and then two cables, one going to what's going to be a step light down here, and then the other cable runs up around and around the roof, and you'll see here two cables at the front, and then it carries on back, and another two in the middle of the van, and then another one at the rear of the van, and that's basically going to be the three basic lights that we're going to have on the ceiling of the van. You'll also see here that we've got a cable here for the front fan, and today's task is to run a cable for the rear fan. So here's our new wire for the rear fan, running up along, held in with cable ties, going along into this trunking, and then back down around, and then down this channel here, coming in behind here, and then out, and then just down around sort of this level, just at the top, above and out here, back to where our fuse board is going to be. It's about a 10-minute job, 5-10 minute job, didn't take too long, pretty easy. Right, so we've got the cable coming through the timber here. We've drawn up as far as we could. What we're going to do now is we'll just run it around and splice it in, and then that is the fan all wide. Nice and easy, not too hard to do at all. Now the tools we're going to require to do our pre-wire today are some cable. We're using 7.5 amp dual core, which is individually sheathed as well as in a master sheath. Insulation tape. We've got a ratchet crimping tool kit. We've got some wire strippers, and then we've got some wire cutters. So we're just going to start off by stripping the wire that we've run already. And just get that sheath off there. Like so, exposing our two cores. Now we have a red and a white, and over here we have a black and a white. Now different parts of the world have different colours. These, because they're made in America, they usually go with the black and a white, your black being your positive or your phase, and your white being your negative or your neutral. What we're going to do is we've got red and white here, so we're going to match white to white and red to black. It doesn't make sense to be mismatching them, because it's just going to cause us potential grief down the track. So what we'll do is we'll strip these ones here now. Let's give us a good amount of wire. We're going to take the labels off these because we don't need that many more. Right, so let's do negatives first. Pop them in like so. It's a good idea to twist the wires first to make sure they're going to go in cleanly. Now I'm crimping and not soldering. There's much debate about which method is best. I would just suggest pick which method works best for you and you're most comfortable with. There we go, one nice solid connection there. Now we'll do the same with the positive. Right, so now that we've got the connections all made, what we're going to do is we're just going to install this flexible conduit here, basically just to give it an extra bit of protection, so that if we don't have the risk of any of the cabling running on the body of the van. Right, so that's that connection all done now. You can see coming along all nicely, and this conduit zip tied up and then running through. I'm very happy with that. Now the secret to good wiring is good connections and keeping it nice and tidy and simple with good cable paths. Right guys, so that's the pre-wire done. Not much to it. We're keeping the power in our van pretty simple. I'll show you a quick diagram here of what it's going to look like. Hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.